Hey, this is Angie with StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you are new, welcome, welcome. So today is treat day and it's usually quick and easy on Tuesday. So we are doing another turtle. Oh my goodness. I can't get enough of this one. This is one of those I can't put down. And you're going to see that a lot because Sunday I posted one with the sweet as a peach, and that's another one that I cannot put down. I keep picking up the same ones over and over. Isn't he stinking cute? Wouldn't this be adorable for a little party favor or just for a friend or coworker for their birthday? Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It says on his shell, it's time to celebrate. And it's so cute. I think I'm going to do it this time in Memento Black because it didn't show up quite as dark as I thought it would. I used that one, the Evening Evergreen. So that's one of our new ink colors. But this is done in Mint Macaron. And then I'm using the Designer Series paper. That I'm using is going to be the Hand Pen Designer Series paper. I'm actually using the back of this right there, but this is beautiful paper. If you didn't get this one, oh my goodness, you need to because it's super pretty. The flower designs on these are gorgeous, and the back is also so pretty, all of them. You know how I am with Designer Series paper. I just love it. So anyway, I'm also using for this, the Turtle Friends is the bundle that I'm using, so it's the Turtle Friends again, and I'm using the Turtle Punch. So this comes as a bundle. You save 10%. And if you don't have this one yet, what are you waiting for? This is so stinking cute. I just love this one. It's so fun. I almost used the little turtles on this one, but then I decided, because I saw it's time to celebrate, and I thought that'd be perfect for a birthday. So that's what I'm using there. I'm also using the Stitch So Sweetly dies, one of my favorites. So I'm using this one, which goes on here. So that is the die that I'm using for this. I already went ahead and cut that out right here. And then I also put on some of our opal rounds. I'm loving these because you can color them whatever color you want. So I am coloring these the soft succulent. That's the only one I'm having a hard time remembering. All right, so that's all the supplies that we're using. You just need some basic white, and I'm also using the flowers for every season. This is in our mini catalog, which goes away in June, but I don't know if the ribbon's staying or not. Usually they have stuff retiring from that, so I'm using the basic white here, and I'm using the gingham. So I had another one roll, and I used the end of that. So I'm going to open up this new one. These papers drive me crazy. I should have done that before I came on, and I totally forgot it was a new roll. So we're using that, and then I'm using this suede. It's so pretty, and it's Mint Macaron. I had to use it because it's just so pretty. So I'm using all three of these ribbons together. And we're using Memento Black, and then I am using some blends, and I'll tell you that when we color him. Really super simple coloring for this. So you want to see what's inside. This is like a matchbook type, and I really like doing these, especially for like birthday things. It's really cute. So I'll show you what's inside. They are the turtle bites. I did find them individually wrapped, and I think I talked about it in my other video, but I was looking for them individually wrapped, and I found them, and I got them at Walmart. So if you're looking, they're in a giant package, but this slides back in there, and it's just like a little matchbook. Isn't that cute? It's got two of them there. You could probably maybe even fit three. I kind of spaced them out. So you can try three if you want to put three. All right, so let's get started. All right, first thing that we're going to do is let's stamp. So I need to get my paper, my basic white. We are stamping our turtle. He is so cute. By the way, be very careful with your turtle. I tore mine. So when you are doing your taking him off of here, because there's this big space here, I wish they would have filled that in. It would have made it a lot stronger. But I guess this is how they do it. But yeah, and I'm so disappointed in that. But it works. It still works. And now we're going to do his hat. And then, like I said, I'm going to just go ahead and stamp. It's time to celebrate. Right in his shell, right here. So cute. So you need a piece of basic white that's a 1/2 inch by 5 inches. And this is for the sentiment. And I'm going to just go ahead and stamp it. I'll give you the measurements of the other stuff in just a second. So we're going to do that right in the center. And let's cover this back up and get our blends out. And so I am using, for this, dark mint macaron, light mint macaron, and I'm using a little bit of gray granite, light gray granite. And then for the hat, his little party hat, I'm using the light and dark polished pink. But you can do his hat however you want. So I'm just starting, and I'm going to just color him with the light. This is just basic coloring. I always tell you, I am not a pro at this. I wish I was, because I've seen some gorgeous coloring with these blends. And I do every once in a while pick up a video and try my hand at getting a little bit better. But I'm always not the best doing that. I think I'm going to use some dark evening, or the light evening evergreen, for his little feet down here. His nails. And then we're going to use the darker mint macaron, and we're going to color in his shell. You can even kind of shade that if you want. I'm just going to use a little bit of this light gray granite to go like underneath his shell here. And maybe like at the end of his tail. And then don't be afraid to use other colors when you're blending, because I did find is this the light? Yes. It works really good with some of these. All right, and let's just do his hat now. We're just going to do it light and dark. I think I'll do the dark this time for his little. And then we'll do this one. I just like how bright and cheerful this one is, this color. And then we'll just do the light. Simple, simple coloring. So let's get our punch and punch him out. And then you have to fussy cut the hat, but it's super, super quick and easy fussy cutting. And voila, his hat is done. All right, I'm going to just put a little bit of glue on his head right here, just a little dot. And then we're going to attach his hat there. And he's ready to go. He's ready to go to the party. All right, and here's the happy birthday. We're going to just set those aside. I'm going to get scoring tool, and we are going to make the little holder. Can't call it a box. It's just it's a matchbox holder. So what you're going to do here on the 7.5 inch side, you are going to score it at 1, 4 1/4, and 4 3/4. And that is it, my friends. It's super simple. So I'm going to get my bone folder. We are going to fold this up. And this is how the turtles come, by the way. So I'm going to grab 2 of those. Let me see if 3 would fit. Just to see. I think it's going to be a little tight. It will, but it'd be a little bit tight. Yeah, I think 2 is better. I don't like to push it. So what we're going to do to attach these, now in the olden days, I'm going to date myself, a lot of people would staple these. I don't like doing that if it's for kids. They used to use the small staples, and I've done it myself, but I got thinking about it, and I don't like doing it when it's going to kids. So this is what I do. I use my Terran tape, and you want to make sure you have enough on here. So I'm going to put 1 down here. And this is just my way. You can do it however you like. And then I'm just doing 1 next to it. You want to leave this free because you're going to have to put your little matchbook under there. So that's what I do. And then I just remove the backing. I do with this with all kinds of candy and it stays well for me. So I'm just going to put these 2 in here, and you want to put it close to the edge there, but not all the way up. And I just press this down, just like that. And see, these are pretty chunky, and it still holds. But you still have a loose end to tuck this in. Now it's going to be tight when you first tuck it in, but that's how you want it. All right, so let's go ahead and, no, we need to mat it first. So let's go ahead and mat it. This paper is so pretty. I hate to even put glue on the back because it's really pretty. But I like this for the turtle. So we're going to mat this piece. By the way, this mat piece is 4 3/4 by 2 3/4. And the piece that we just scored is 5 by 7.5. So I think I did this all the way to the end. Yeah, I did it right to the end here. If you want to make this shorter, you can make it shorter, but I did it all the way to both ends here. And it's easier if I did it this way and just seal it down. There. Now you can tuck it in, but it's going to tuck in really nicely, and it's going to stay really nice. So I'm tucking it in because I want to put my little sentiment on here. So we're going to just add that. Put that right in the center. And then we're going to take our little frame here, and we're going to pop him up with some dimensionals. We are going to just place him on here. And then we're going to add our ribbon. So I'm going to cut, I need to cut 3 equal pieces. So for this, I'm going to cut these first. And they are about, they're about a little bit shorter than 5 inches, just about 5 inches. That's the width of it anyway. So, okay, we're going to do those, and then I'm going to do one of these. I'm just going to cut it 5 inches. This is so pretty. It's going to be gorgeous on like Christmas cards and stuff. I love it. I wanted to use it though. So we are going to put some adhesive on here. We are going to lay these down. And then I am going to do this one. This one's a little heavy, so I had to put it on there. Let's do it like that. How about this way? I think it looks better this way. So you can just move it however you like it. I need to shorten that hair a little bit too long. All right, and then we are going to pop this up on here. Super quick and easy, right? You can even use like your designer series paper behind it, but I love the ribbon. It's so pretty. And he's gonna go right in the center because he is the center of attention there. Isn't he so cute? Last but not least, I'm gonna grab these opal rounds and we are going to color them. And I am going to color them the light evening evergreen. You stayed, oh, I didn't put, did I put one at the top? You have to put one on the top so it stays. I don't know if I did. So we're gonna color these. I'm gonna do 2 small ones and 1 big one. You can color them any color you want, and they dry really fast if you use your blends. Always use the blunt tip. You don't want to ruin the other side. I've done it, believe me. I always learned the hard way. So we're going to put that there. We'll put a couple up here. And then we're ready for the party. So there you go. He's all done. Isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh. Oops, did that pop up there? Yep. Glue didn't dry. This glue does take a little bit longer to dry than the Tombow I was using, so keep that in mind when you're doing them. All right, everyone, here's the other one. They're so cute. I think these were a little bit fatter. This one's a little puffier than this one, but it works. So isn't that cute? I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need my hostess code, it is on my blog. I filmed this before the new June hostess code went live. So I always post my hostess code on my blog, and you can shop from my blog. Have a blessed day, everyone, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.